If you're planning on coming out to St. Vincent College to watch the Steelers practice in training camp, there's an important perspective to remember, and that is that every time something good happens for the offense, something bad is happening for the defense, and vice versa. When tight end Heath Miller ends a 2-minute drill by catching a 16-yard touchdown pass from Ben Roethlisberger, he does so at the expense of a linebacker such as James Farrior. When number one pick of a year ago, Ziggy Hood, shows how much progress he's made as a second-year player on several occasions this year, it's come at the expense of this year's number one, Maurkice Pouncey. On Wednesday, we were witness to one of those rare occasions where both the offense and the defense screwed up. The situation was a 7-on-7 drill. Quarterback Ben Roethlisberger found wide receiver Emmanuel Sanders wide open for what should have been an easy long-range touchdown. Cornerback Joe Burnett blew the coverage on the play and immediately felt the wrath of the defensive staff and the defensive players watching the drill. But Sanders didn't complete it. He was so wide open, he just stopped running, and that's a no-no. You're supposed to run it into the end zone every time, and his offensive coaches and offensive teammates let him know in no uncertain terms, hey, kid, we finish plays here. Again, it was one of those rare instances where neither side was happy. The good news is that Burnett came back a couple of snaps later and was able to deflect a long bomb from Roethlisberger away from Antoine Randall. For Joe Burnett, it was a case of redemption. For Emmanuel Sanders, well, he kept catching passes, but he never got close to the end zone again. He had to settle for a lesson learned. And you can bet that Emmanuel Sanders, who has made very few mistakes prior to today, you can be sure that the next time he has a chance to score, he'll do so. At that point, the only people upset will be on defense. With the Steelers at St. Vincent College for DVE Sports, I'm Mike Pursuta.